All right, William wanted it on setting 5. Got our passenger side set on setting 5. Gonna get our driver's side set, and then we're gonna try it with the hazards too. All right, driver's side is programmed. And there is your emergency flashers. That's pretty awesome. Scotty, hit the brake pedal and hold it. Nice. Okay, while holding it, give me a left turn. That's too cool. Give me a right turn. Okay, keep the brakes down and hit the hazards. Hit the hazards.
I did.
Okay, so we don't get... There's no hazards with the brakes on. That's fair. Okay, let off.
Take my foot off the brake. Hold on.
Yeah. There we go. That makes sense, because usually when your hazard's on, you're not holding the brake pedal.
Right.
All right. Let me leave that on. I want to go check the front.
Yes, sir.
Make sure we don't have any wild and crazy things going on up front. Okay, we got front hazards. Turn the hazards off. Give me a left turn. Very nice. Give me a right turn. Very nice. I'm going to call this mission accomplishado. See?
I call this badass Mustang.
Yes, we know that. Okay, so our next step, I'm gonna start making our brackets probably this afternoon, and we can start figuring out our fog lights.
Sounds like a plan.
Nice job, sir.